Hello my YouTube friends. In today's video I will show you how we started the construction of our upper flower garden. This big green space on the left will be our future flower garden. And I will show you how we started this construction. The construction started with our crew removing old grass, which was not good anyway. They cut it with a special machinery and rolled it. There were a lot of rolls. The workers dumped those rolls into a pile in the location where our future succulent garden will be created. We need some type of a hill with a slope for this garden. And believe me, there was a lot of noise from all this machinery. With the help of machinery, our team leveled the plot to make a flat space for the new lawn and future path around it. The flower beds will be set up on both sides of the new lawn right after the paths. It was a very long process to level this plot. And the shadow is covering our property, the sun rolls down, and another day of work is finished. On the next day, our crew started doing the foundation for our path around the new lawn. They did this job in 2 days, and these were very long days. This job is very tedious and difficult to do, but the team did a good job, and the smoke comes from stones being cut. Another day is almost finished, and the shadow again is darkening our plot, and the team will leave to rest, to continue doing the work on the next day. So they continue the work. It's a lot of job or work, as I said. And this is how the path looked before we installed the new grass. Another team came next day and they installed the new grass. And it looks perfect and so green and so lush. Perfect. And as I said, on both sides of the paths we will build our flower beds. Stay tuned for the updates on our upper flower garden creation. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video.